Hello everyone, and welcome to the Python Full Stack course with AI. Every section in this course series is going to begin with a slideshow. In that slideshow, we're going to go over a brief overview of what's going to be contained in that section. Before we start the course, let's do the same for the entire course. So in our course, we're going to have three components to it, primarily front end, Python, and data science. In front end, we're going to cover HTML, then CSS, then Bootstrap, JavaScript, and the document object module, which is the DOM. In there, we're also going to be covering jQuery. After we take care of the front end, we're going to start working on Python. In Python, we're going to learn about methods and functions, all the typical programming stuff that you've heard about. Object-oriented programming and decorators. And finally, we're going to approach the data science section. One of our bigger projects of the front-end section is the creation of a website that's responsive. So that'll be our front-end project. We're also going to make a game. In Python, we're going to be doing lots of exercises, some advanced, some simple. In data science, we're actually going to go through a great deal of data science, starting from statistics all the way through deep learning and AI. There's no real point to going over every lecture right now because there's so many lectures to go through, but we will approach each of these by section. So every section, we're going to proceed it with a slideshow. We'll give an overview of exactly what's going to be contained in that section. This is just giving you an overview of what's contained in the entire course. Our first sections after this are going to